Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, specifically designed for those who need high-quality, large-format prints with ease and precision. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the HP DesignJet T870 large-format 24-inch plotter printer. This powerhouse of a printer is designed to make your printing experience not just efficient, but also incredibly cost-effective. Whether you're an architect, engineer, construction professional, or educator, this printer is tailored to meet your needs for technical line drawings, renders, posters, and maps that require precise, accurate line quality and crisp text. One of the standout features of the HP DesignJet T870 is the included 2-year extended warranty. This is not just any warranty. It includes on-site and remote support, HP parts, and as fast as next business day device service if your issue can't be resolved. Imagine having the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're fully covered for any issues that might arise. This level of support is unparalleled and shows HP's commitment to ensuring that your printing operations are always up and running. For professionals, downtime is money, and with this warranty, you can be sure that any problems will be addressed promptly, minimizing any potential loss of productivity. The HP DesignJet T870 is incredibly versatile when it comes to media sizes. It can handle up to 24-inch wide media rolls for large format prints and up to 13-inch by 19-inch sheets for wide format prints using the included automatic sheet feeder accessory. This flexibility is a game changer for anyone who needs to print a variety of sizes without the hassle of manually switching the media source. The automatic sheet/roll switch feature means you can seamlessly move between different print jobs without interruption, saving you time and increasing your productivity. Whether you're working on a project that requires detailed technical drawings or you're tasked with producing eye-catching posters, this printer has got you covered. The media handling capabilities of the HP DesignJet T870 are also worth mentioning. With the ability to print on a range of compatible media, including banner, photo, film, glossy, self-adhesive, coated, and bond paper, the possibilities are endless. The printer comes equipped with a sheet feed, roll feed, automatic sheet/roll switch, media bin, and an automatic horizontal cutter, making it easy to manage your prints from start to finish. This level of media handling flexibility, combined with the printer's ability to automatically switch between different media types, ensures that you can focus on your work rather than worrying about the logistics of printing. What really sets the HP DesignJet T870 apart, however, is its simplicity and cost-effectiveness. This printer is designed to make printing multi-size projects easy and automatic, eliminating the need for manual media switching. But that's not all. It also offers cost-saving efficiencies that can significantly reduce your printing expenses. For instance, it uses up to 95% less ink for routine maintenance compared to other competitor plotter printers on the market. This is a huge advantage, especially for businesses or educational institutions where printing costs can quickly add up. By reducing ink usage, the HP DesignJet T870 helps you save money without compromising on the quality of your prints. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T870 large format 24-inch plotter printer is an exceptional tool for anyone requiring high-quality, large format prints with precision and accuracy. With its comprehensive warranty, versatility in media sizes, advanced media handling capabilities, and cost-effective operation, it's an investment that will pay for itself over time. If you're in the market for a reliable, efficient, and high-quality large format printer, look no further. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the HP DesignJet T870.